We tend to think of artificial intelligence as the ultimate calculating machine, but underneath that confident interface, these advanced models have a hidden flaw. They often fail at basic math. They aren't actually computing anything, they are predicting what a solution should look like. If AI is used in scientific research, economics, or as autonomous agents, this is a serious problem. We cannot have a system that confidently hallucinates arithmetic when the real-world stakes are this high. The current industry standard for solving this is chain-of-thought prompting. This technique requires the AI to slow down and break word problems into a series of step-by-step sentences. While these steps look like logic, they are an imitation of it. Generating a plausible-sounding sequence of sentences is not the same as calculating a correct answer, and even when the reasoning is right, the math is often wrong. To test the limits of this text-based reasoning, researchers created a dataset called GSM-HARD. They took standard third-grade math word problems and swapped the small integers for random 7-digit numbers. This chart shows how the AI's performance changes when the numbers get larger. While accuracy stays high for simple arithmetic, it collapses by 70% the moment those 7-digit numbers are introduced. This happens because large language models are ultimately guessing the next most likely word in a sequence. When the numbers are small, they've seen the answers enough to guess correctly. With large numbers, that guessing game falls apart. The models can understand the structure of the problem, but a neural network designed for language is an unreliable architecture for mathematical computation. A new method called Program-Aided Language Models, or PAL, fixes this by changing how it works. Instead of asking it to solve the problem in its head, we give it a calculator. Instead, the language model is prompted to write a functional computer program that can calculate and find the answer itself. This comparison shows the strategy shift. Left, chain-of-thought outputs natural language sentences. Right, PAL generates executable Python code using descriptive variable names like loaves baked equals 200. This links each question element to a specific value, strictly mapping human phrasing into a mathematical formula. The AI is no longer guessing at a result. It acts as a logical programmer, translating words into a format a computer can perfectly execute. Once written, the neural network hands the script to a Python interpreter. This creates a division of labor. The language model handles reading comprehension, then passes instructions to a system incapable of calculation errors. The interpreter runs the logic, outputting an absolute mathematical answer. Offloading the computation to a dedicated engine eliminates the hallucination problem. It pairs the nuance of language comprehension with the infallible logic of a traditional machine. On the standard GSM-8K benchmark, PAL achieved a 72. Researchers are finding that teaching AI to use external tools can bypass the inherent limits of text prediction, creating systems that don't just guess at answers, but write the code to find them.